How to impersonate a sound effect of a helicopter. Step 1. Act like a lizard. Put your tongue out, then retract it in. Step 2. Make a sound like you're thinking of something delicious. So you're retracting your tongue inside. Step 3. While you're retracting the tongue to the inside of your mouth, slowly breathe through your mouth. Step 4. Get rid of the munchy sound and get something clear sounding like this. From this to this. Step 5. Speed up the process. Step 6. Get regular resting, because I'm kind of getting lightheaded from this exercise, and you probably are too. So take a few moments so you don't get dizzy. By the way, people call me Dizzy because my last name's Dizdar. So number 7, very important. After you rested a little bit, breathe all the air out of your lungs when you start doing a continuous helicopter sound. So you can do it as long as possible, because you're sucking the air out of your lungs and then you're inhaling through your mouth to the end of the sound effect. So get rid of all the air. Exhale. So that's the trick. Okay, number 8. To get the sound of the chopper getting closer. To get the sound of the chopper getting closer, suck the air through the top of your upper teeth, like this. You know, when it slows down, the helicopter slows down, it sounds like... So at the start, you use the from far away. And when it gets closer... Last step. Step number 9 or whatever. To make it easier, put your lips into a small hole like this and suck air through the hole very gently. Obstruct the flow of air with your tongue. Then you're going to get a lot of length. You could do it longer in one continuous take. The sweet spot comes with the teeth and the closeness of the helicopter. Yeah, anyway, leave a like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll try to make a few more videos.